Ever wondered where your food really comes from and how it affects the planet? In Europe, sustainable agriculture is all about growing food in ways that protect the soil, water, and biodiversity, while still making sure we have enough to eat. From organic farms to small community gardens, farmers are finding smart ways to grow food responsibly. And guess what? Your choices as a consumer, like buying local or seasonal foods, can actually help make these farming practices more common. Let's explore how you can be part of this change, one meal at a time. Sustainable agriculture includes simple yet powerful practices. Farmers rotate crops to keep soil healthy, reduce pesticide use, and grow food organically. Some even use renewable energy like solar panels to run their farms. The European Union's Farm to Fork strategy is pushing for 25% of farmland to be organic by 2030 and to cut pesticide use significantly. This isn't just about farming, it's about protecting the environment and keeping our food safe. Small practices like composting kitchen scraps or planting a herb garden are ways anyone can join in. You could grow basil, parsley, cherry tomatoes, or chili peppers at home. These little additions can really level up your homemade meals while helping the planet. But you don't need to be a farmer to support sustainable agriculture. Picking local and seasonal foods cuts food miles and helps your neighborhood thrive. Visiting farmers markets, looking for labels like organic, or starting a small vegetable garden are all practical steps. Composting food scraps at home enriches soil and reduces waste. It's as simple as collecting vegetable peels, fruit cores, and coffee grounds instead of throwing them away. Over time, these scraps turn into nutrient-rich soil you can use for your plants at home, share with a family member who has a garden, or even bring to a local community garden where it can help grow healthy plants. Think about your meals this week. Can you grab your fruits and veggies at a local market or pick seasonal produce? Not only does this support farmers, but it also keeps your food fresher and tastier. And don't toss those scraps. IKEA even made the Scraps book, a waste-less cookbook full of recipes to turn vegetable leftovers into meals. Alongside composting, this is a super practical way to reduce food waste while still enjoying delicious dishes. Sustainable agriculture is about smart farming, smart eating, and caring for our planet. Start small, shop local, compost, reduce waste, or grow your own herbs. Your choices matter. And together, we can help create a healthier world for everyone.